Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to be doing some review questions to help you with your Topic 15 quiz. So first, let's review some of our geometry vocabulary. This is very important to remember these terms and what they mean because on your quiz and in the future, you're going to see these terms in 4th grade and 5th grade and beyond. So the first term is square corners, and this is just to remember that any corner that makes a square like this is a square corner. You might also hear the name right angle. A quadrilateral is any shape that has 4 sides. So as you can see, all of these shapes have 4 sides. They might not look all the same, but they all have 4 sides. The next word or words that you need to know are that opposite sides will never meet. This means that we're talking about parallel lines. Here you can see a trapezoid has one set of parallel lines because if I kept going with these lines, they would never meet. With squares and rectangles, they have 2 pairs of parallel sides. So you have these 2 sides here that are opposite, and they'll keep going and they will never meet because they'll keep going straight. Shapes that have 2 pairs of parallel opposite sides are called parallelograms. So you can see that I have a rectangle here and a square here, but this is also a parallelogram. Even though the lines are slanted, you can see that if I keep going on both sides of the line, that these lines will never cross. Another word to know is rhombus. Remember, rhombi or rhombuses have 4 equal sides. And trapezoids do not have to have all 4 equal sides. The most important thing about trapezoids to know is that you need 1 pair of parallel sides. So you have this line and this line, which would be parallel. And here you can see by the arrows, this line and this line are parallel. This is a question that you might see on your quiz or something similar to it. It says Yamilet drew a line to connect the 2 stars on this shape. Then she cut the shape on the line. Which 2 new shapes did Yamilet create? So the first thing that I want to do is I want to do what the problem said Yamilet did. So Yamilet drew a line to connect the stars. Now I can see I have 2 new shapes that were created from this. And since I know my geometry vocabulary, I know that I created, or Yamilet created, 2 trapezoids. I know they're trapezoids because I have 1 set of parallel lines for each shape. Another thing to remember is the rule about squares. Remember that squares are also rectangles and rhombuses or rhombi because they have the same characteristics that are required for rectangles and rhombuses. And by the time that you're in 4th grade, it's really important for you to start thinking of rectangles as a group of shapes, some of which are squares. All right, boys and girls, that's the end of our video today. So please go ahead and take your Topic 15 quiz. Good luck!